Chelsea. Today I'm going to be opening 12 Coop blind bags. Let's get right to it. Remember, you guys can get your own Coops too by participating in our school fundraiser. Oh look, it's Pork Chop. Wow, let's just put him on his little spot right here. There you go. You might have gotten your first Coop by filling out the postcard booklet and turning it in early. If you didn't do it already, remember to do that. Anyways, because that's how you sell your items. Oh my gosh, it's Queen Alexa. Let's put her right over here where she belongs. There. Now we'll open blind bag number 3. If you sell 2 items for the fundraiser, you'll get another Coop. By selling items for the fundraiser will help you collect these little guys. Aww, it's Rocket Man.
Here's my book that I borrowed from you. And you get my message about our laptop part? What's the phone message?
If you sell more than 12 items, you get prizes in addition to the Coop. You remember all those cool toys Miss Money was playing with, right? Perfect, it's Apollo. He's so cute. Right
It's already in the car. But don't lock it for me because I usually keep it in my desk drawer. So just let me know, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh wow, I hope we get all 12 Coops today so I can fill out this Coop board. Oh boy, it's Droid. Super, he goes right here. Let's clip him on. When you sell enough Coops, you'll know because your teacher will give you a coupon. They look like this. Oh. Aww, he's so cute. It's Guru. I love it. Let's hang him in his little spot right here. Make sure your parents sign the Coop on too. You should ask them to help you sell more items so you can get more Coops. Oh look, it's Cyclone. Wow, let's just hang it up right here. you see the catalog of the Christmas presents, magazines, and sports team swag? Those are the items you should try to sell. Do you know someone that might buy a Christmas presents this early? Oh yes, it's Hover. Still no duplicates. We might get all 12. Does someone you know read magazines? You should see if they want to buy a magazine subscription from you. To sell 2 magazine subscriptions, you can get your first Coop. Hey, it's Space Skater. I just love that little guy. I think we can do it. I think we can get all 12. Did you see the catalog with the sports flags in it? I know someone who would would be interested in one of those flags. Remember, the more you sell, the more Coops you get. 10 out of 10, it's Uno. Goes right here. The more you sell, the more money your school will get too. We use that money to do fun activities here. Oh yes, it's King Henry. We only need one more. Is number 12. Who will it be? Yes, yes, yes. We got all 12. It's the last one. It's Quest. We have all the Coops hung up now on our fancy little stand. They all look so cute together. Wow, I hope you guys will sell lots of things for the fundraiser and get lots of Coops too. Don't forget all those cool toys Miss Bunny played with. You can earn those by selling things too. Ask your friends, ask your family, make some money for Burbank. Thanks for watching. This has been really fun.